Hello, Mattio, let's go, Mattio, Mattio. Are you ready to go? It's time for Mattio.
Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a paper airplane. Firstly, get a piece of paper that's a rectangle. Oh, hi Scorch, nice to see you. We are going to make a paper airplane. Yes it is, I am excited. Yeah! It doesn't fly when you don't fold it, so let's start folding. Oh no, there is some water on my paper, but that's okay. It will still work. Let's start to make this plane. Fold the paper in half lengthwise so the paper looks like a long rectangle. Then open it up again. Bring the top corners toward the center fold. Take one of the top corners and fold it towards the fold you just made to form a triangle. Repeat the fold along the other top corner so the top of your paper forms a point. Then fold the angled top edges towards the crease again. Grab the new top corner on one side of your paper and fold towards the crease to form a long triangle. Run your finger across the fold to make sure it is in place. Fold the other top corner in the same way so your piece of paper looks like a large triangle. Then fold it in half. That looks great! Fantastic! Now let's make the wings. Fold the part that is at an angle down over the end of the paper so part of it sticks out. This will be the wing part. Do the same to the other side to make the other wing. It's so easy! Look, that, that's so cool. Look at this. Now let's make extra flaps on the wings. Make small flaps for the plane to make it fly better. Just make a small fold on the wing at the end of it to make the extra boost flap. There we go. Let's go throw this. Now we are ready to fly the plane. 3, 2, 1, go! That was great!